Hello dear children, let's learn today construction of triangle. Any triangle, do you know how many elements are there in a triangle? There are 6 elements or 6 parts. There are 3 sides and 3 angles. So out of these 6, if 3 parts are given, then we can construct a triangle. And we need some criteria. What are those criteria? First criteria is S. That means if all the 3 sides are given, the length of the 3 sides are given, then we can construct one triangle. Then ASA. In this criteria ASA, if 2 angles are given, suppose these 2 angles are given and the included side, that means, or the common side, that means these 2 angles are made up of these 2 sides. This angle is made up of these 2 sides and this angle is made up of these 2 sides. So this is the common side. So if these 2 angles are given and this included side or the common side is given, then we can construct the triangle by using ASA criteria. And third one is SAS. In SAS construction criteria, 2 sides, suppose 2 sides are given, suppose these 2 sides are given, this is one side, this is another side. If these 2 sides are given, the included angle is given. If the included angle is given, then we can use this criteria and we can construct the triangle. Or RHS. In RHS construction of triangle, if in one right angle triangle, this is one right angle triangle, this right angle it is given, already right angle means 90 degree, and hypotenuse is given and one of the side is given, then we can construct the triangle. One of the side, that means one of the leg is given. So let us learn first by using SSS. SSS. Suppose 3 sides are given by using SSS criteria. Suppose the length. And one thing more, dear children, if the SSS means all the 3 sides are given, if अपने मर्जी का कुछ 3 sides ले जाओगे तो construct नहीं होगा, because you know that what are the side properties of a triangle. Suppose in one triangle it is given one of the side is 5 centimeter, another side is 2 centimeter and another side is 3 centimeter. Can you construct this triangle? No, we cannot construct this triangle because if we are finding the sum of 2 sides 5 centimeter and 2 centimeter, it must be greater than the third side. That is the side property of a triangle. In any triangle, always the sum of 2 sides must be greater than the third side. Here if we are adding 2 and 3 centimeter, then we are getting exactly 5 centimeter, but it must be greater than the third side. So it is not possible to construct this triangle. Okay, so we have to check first whether we can construct the triangle or not. Let us take 3 sides. Suppose in a triangle, construct a triangle ABC, where AB equal to 5 centimeter, BC equal to 4 centimeter and AC equal to 5 centimeter or 5.5 centimeter. 5.5 centimeter. Now we have to construct this triangle. Can you construct this triangle? Yes. 5 plus 5.5 is greater than 4. 5 plus 4 is greater than 5.5. 4 plus 5.5 is greater than 5 centimeter. So we can construct. If we are finding the sum of any 2 sides, it must be greater than the third side. So we can construct by using this length. Now let us construct this triangle. So to construct a triangle, first we have to draw the rough sketch. First we have to draw the rough sketch. And by looking at the rough sketch, we have to draw the original one. ABC. According to the given, AB equal to 5 centimeter, and BC equal to 4 centimeter and AC equal to 5.5 centimeter. Now to construct, now no need to see the question. By looking this only, we have to do this, construct this triangle. So we have to take first, draw one line. First you have to draw one line. Drawn one line. Now one of the point, let us take this point as B. We need 3 vertices of this triangle. So already we got B. B we can take any point. Now how to take C point? C point how to take? The C is 4 centimeter apart from B. So you have to take 4 centimeter from 0. Always you take from 0. From 0 to 4 centimeter. This is exactly 4 centimeter. And now from B point you have to take 4 centimeter. Now this is your point C, which is 4 centimeter. Now we got B and C 2 vertices, that is 4 centimeter. Now AC equal to 5.5 centimeter. Now you have to take 5.5 centimeter. From 0 you take, always you keep the pointer at 0, and now 5.5, you have to take 5.5 and this pointer you keep on that point C and make one arc. I have drawn one arc. Now BA or AB equal to 5 centimeter. So you take 5 centimeter, from 0 to 5 centimeter you take. This is 5 centimeter. And from B point keep the pointer and draw the arc which will intersect the arc before we have drawn. Now we are getting one intersecting point, and this intersecting point you can name as A. Now you can draw the AB line and AC line. Join A and B. A and B you join. A and C you join. Now ABC is the required triangle whose AB equal to 4 centimeter, AB equal to 5 centimeter, AC equal to 5.5 centimeter and BC equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. Next we are going to learn triangle with the help of criteria SAS. Now if in SAS, if any triangle, this is a triangle PQR, suppose a triangle PQR we have to construct. This is the rough sketch of that triangle SAS. SAS means the side angle side. That means if two sides are given, suppose PQ is given, PQ equal to suppose 5 centimeter, QR equal to 7 centimeter, and the included angle, is Q. If Q is given 30 degree. Then how to construct this triangle? Now we have to first draw the rough sketch. Let us draw the rough sketch. PQR Q is 30 degree, PQ is 5 centimeter and QR is 7 centimeter. This is your raw figure. By looking this raw figure, now we have to construct the triangle. First you take the line segment. One line first you draw. Take a point. Q, name it Q. Now we have to find the R and P points. R point how to find? Now you take 7 centimeter from 0 to 0 to 7 centimeter. We have to take 7 centimeter. This is your 7 centimeter. From point Q, this is R point. Now next is your angle Q. To draw angle 30, how to draw angle 30? From this point, from point Q, draw one arc. Drawn. Now if we are taking exactly the same measurement, then we are getting the arc of 60 degree. If we are joining these 2 points, we are getting the angle 60 degree. But we want 30 degree. So we need to bisect this part. Now to bisect this part, from this point you have to take one arc. And from this point, because we have to bisect this part. So from this point you take another one. Now this intersecting point and this Q point, if we are joining, then we get 30 degree. While joining, just you check 2 times, 3 times, then you join these 2 points. Now we are getting 30 degree here. Now we have to find point P. Now how to find point P? Point P, we have to find P is, the point P is 5 centimeter apart from Q. So from 0 you take 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and from point Q take 5 centimeter. Now this point you name it as P. Now you can join P and R. Now already we have got all these 3 vertices of this triangle PQR. If we are joining P and R, now we are getting PQR triangle. Now this PQR is the given triangle whose PR is 7 centimeter, PQ is 5 centimeter, and angle Q is 30 degree. Okay, next we are going to construct triangle ASA.